bothered me anyway.
Ano yun?
Nabi rice? Gio rice.
Sige, Tita Girl. Hello. Hello niya.
Okay.
Meron mo kung ganito, yung orange, yung pagpatay.
Hindi.
Ano kasing tawag dun sa mga
Hindi naman lumalabas yung...
Birds of Paradise?
Oo.
Hindi naman siya lumalabas.
How do you do a peace sign? Pio? Pio, peace sign. Pio. Hello. Say hello to the camera.
Yung dulo.
Yan yung management.
Kayo po, yung pangalan.
Yung tatlo na yun,
Yung po yung ginagamit.
dinaanan ko yun. From Dubai International Floating Ground sa Limerick.
There's a bird in the pool. Bridge. Ah, bridge in the pool. Okay, did you go over the bridge?
The ball.
What that? Like, yung mga kapisa. So there's
There's a car, oh. How many cars are this? Ito na.
Yeah, gabi nung ginawa to, no? Kasi nakasindi yung ilaw ng mga kotse, oh.
Ha? How many?
What's the color of their plane, Pio? What's the color of their plane?
Working there.
Your daddy works there. Do you know your daddy works there? He pushes the airplane so that they will fly. That's why he got injured, because of pushing the airplanes.
Rokin!
Okay.
Normal lang ano itang...
Hello.
You say hello.
You're guarding the groceries, no?
Are you a good boy, Kuya?
Are you okay? Rock.
Pare, okay ka lang. Iuwi ka na namin.
Rock.
Sabi kasi wag ka masyadong uminom eh.
Rocky. Rocky. Hey. Kaya pa? Ha?